Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to Chacha channel guys. It's me, a guy here. I'm Chacha guys. You can subscribe today. I'm in a village guys. I can just have a short walk. You can have a walk. Yeah, the village fine, cool. Yeah, but you can hear the most noise in the village is birds village. We have birds in the village. There are so many birds. There are so many animals in the village. So you can hear some noise from the birds. Yeah, and the whatever. I think you can hear some noise, guys. Maybe you can feel it. You can feel it. Yeah, this is the vibe of the village, guys. So I'm your guy here, guys. Keep tuned. Keep subscribing, guys. Yeah, I really love you, my guys. I appreciate you for watching my videos, guys. And you can see I'm holding some things with me here, guys. Yeah, it's some yogurts and milk yogurt and strawberry yogurt. Yeah, sometimes too good to drink these yogurts. You know, they are made from milk, and milk is so good for our health. I really love them. So I have my friend here, guys. So I'm just chilling here waiting for him to come. Yeah, in the village there's a vibe. There's a good vibe here in the village. Yeah. You can just have a walk, guys, around the village. And there are some people here in the village, guys. They are looking for, people do hunt some animals in the village. There are many animals in the village here, like rabbits and so on. Some people are grazing. Yeah, I will give my friend here to hold for me these ones. Can you introduce yourself, man? This is called Hussein. This is my friend, guys. Yeah. Yeah.
From this village, it's called
Mabera.
I'm Hussein.
As you say.
It's morning.
Yeah.
We're walking up.
I just have a walk in the village, guys. So, hold for me a camera as we walk. Yeah. Keep tuned, guys. I'm with a yogurt here. I want to take a yogurt. There's some animals grazing in the village. Someone is grazing the animals. Let's have just a short walk, guys. Let's walk going this side. Yeah. Hearing because it doesn't know me.
You say in the village there's a lot of...
Yeah, guys. Welcome back, welcome. It's me, a guy here, Chacha. If you haven't subscribed to this channel. Comment, share, and so today I'm here in the village taking some. I have a yogurt here.
A vanilla yogurt.
Yeah.
It's
I'm
morning.
feeling the vibe of the yogurt, and here in the village I really like the digital life. You know, during some like 5, 6 years, 10 years ago, yeah.
Yes.
Like 10 years ago, we used to dig chambers using cows. But right now, you find that people use some tractors, digital like.
Hmm? Oh. 10 years back, we used to take a lot of time to plow a farm, but by now people take just almost 30 minutes to plow 1 acre farm using tractors, as you can see.
Kata na kazi zinaisha. Kwa hata hizi ziko sawa. Kata Guys, now I'm chilling right here, taking my drink around the village. You can see the vibe. There are some animals taking water here. Sorry. You can see the animals are taking some water around here with us. That's the vibe of the village, guys. And they are going now to look for some grasses. So we are chilling somewhere here in the village, just making some stories with my friend here. With my friend here, Hussein.
I'm doubling. It's in the morning, right?
Yeah. Yeah, you can see he's eating something, but don't worry with what he's eating. We are just chilling, guys. So that's the vibe of the village. And the village, guys, you can see the village is big, and you can see the area is green. The village, Africa is green.
It's morning. As you can hear, you are feeling the sounds of birds.
Of course, you know there are some bad stories I just hear down the village. There are more birds in the village. Like there's not only birds, but we have birds. 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 More. You know, we have domestic animals and wild animals, guys. So domestic animals are the animals we keep there at home. But here in the village, you find that we have also wild animals. And we find some people are hunting in the village. I'll show you in the village. I know I find people hunting. You find some people with many dogs hunting for rabbits. Some of people looking for birds. Yeah, there are some birds that we eat here in the village.
Even aquinas.
Some of people in the water looking for some fish. The area, you know, in the village there is a river, and the river has got some fishes inside. So that's how we find food sometimes in the village here, and we eat. Isn't that we must go and buy their food in the market. Sometimes you have to come in the village here in the forest, look for food for yourself, guys. So that's the vibe of the village. You can just stay, you can eat meat every day without spending. You just come here in the forest, hunt for food. Sometimes you might not find, but when God provide, will provide for you, and we find some. Days are going and going. Yeah, that's the vibe, guys. So I love you guys. So I just wanna end my video by here, just saying, keep on watching my videos, guys. More videos are coming. It's me, your guy Chacha. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel. Also comment, guys. Anyway, I just wish you good luck. Bye bye.